you're cute. You look good. If you did your brows while you watched this video, girl, you look bomb. And I'm not just saying that. Hello, it's your girl Leah back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got these brows snatched. Okay, if you're interested in that, then you can just keep on watching, or if you're interested in this entire makeup look, I am doing a Juvia's Place review in a different video on the foundation, concealer, and eyeshadow. So yeah, if you're interested in that, you can go check that out as well. But yeah, if you want to get your brows looking like this, babe, then keep on watching, and if you enjoy, like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the makeup. Take your pomade, so you can, if you want a cheap alternative, it can be Elf, which just works pretty good as well, or you can use the Anastasia dip brow. This is the one that I have been using. You're gonna take a flat angled brush, if I could find mine, flat angled brush like this. Put your brows up like that. Keep forgetting to look at the damn lens. And basically just line the bottom. And you're just following your brow. You want to take it like right here. So pull it out a little bit more like that. It's alright, that's alright. And then with whatever product you have left, I usually start in the middle when I'm doing it, and then whatever product I have left on the brush, that's what I take and do in the front. That way it's giving kind of ombre effect. And then just pull it upward like that. And then whatever's left, just pass it over the whole brow like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you are going to be cleaning it up with a concealer. Brush it up again, and then when you brush it up, you can kind of see like where you need to fill in a little bit more. My hands are real shaky, oh my god. It's because y'all watch me. It's making me nervous. Quit looking. Oh, let me stop. And then you want to brush down a little bit. That way you can see where your brow ends. Well, not ends, but how the growth is, to where you take, which I'm taking my Benefit brow pencil. I got like fuzz all over the fucking place. Your Benefit brow pencil, and I have the shade in 4, and just lightly, god damn it, hair like strokes. And then you can get whatever shape, well, make whatever shape you prefer. I like to bring mine up a little bit higher right here. And then lightly fill it in like that. Basically. Well, I need the spoolie, Leah. Basically like that. It doesn't really, basically like that, and then I keep on doing it. Perfectionist. They are kind of big, but you know what they say, the bigger brow, the younger you look. I heard that somewhere. I don't know if it's true. Okay, I think it's pretty, you know, they're never gonna be 100% the same, so it really doesn't matter even after you conceal it. So, you know, just get it as best as you can. Okay, and then you just take the spoolie, blend out the front. It's so hard, like, depending on what hand you write with, because because I'm left-handed and it's a struggle to do my right brow. You know what? Actually, it's a struggle to do my left brow. Whatever. Anyways, gonna be a basic ass makeup channel and do this basic ass eyebrow tutorial. So next is concealer, basically a lighter shade. Basically what you use to highlight, a concealer that you use to highlight, and that's what you're gonna pass underneath your brows. And then you're gonna want to take more of your foundation color and put it at the top of your brows. That way it gives you a more natural look. Where's my flat brush? I got so many brushes, y'all, and they dirty. Okay, don't judge me. I used them yesterday. I used some of them. My clean ones are the ones I'm gonna use today, but I ain't had time. You know, I just can't wash them every day. I don't got the patience. I don't got the time. I got the time. I don't got the patience. Let me stop. I'm sorry if my like backdrop is kind of like flowing. It's the fan and it's hot as hell with all these lights on me. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer, which I'm doing kind of like a review on this because just to see how they hold up. And this is the shade 19. Well, the number is 19. You know you're feeling yourself when you... Okay. I like to take most of my product and put it like towards the middle and in. And just shape it out. Clean it up. This is a little bit on the whiter side, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with another concealer I have. I don't think it made too much of a damn difference. Oh well. Okay. And I'm basically gonna be using this as an eyeshadow base as well. So if you want this to look more natural, you can use, I mean, honestly, you can use your foundation color underneath your eyebrow as well if you want it to look more natural. This is giving me like a lot, so just blend it in with your finger to warm up the product. Ooh. Yeah, that's a little better. And what I like to do is, like, when I'm trying to do the front of my brows, I like to lift them up like this, and it'll show you like exactly the shape you need to like kind of follow. Like you can, it shows you the line better or where you need to clean it up at. Like this. Or like that. Okay, just like that. And my eyebrows big as fuck. You know, some people like thick eyebrows. Like, I mean, I like mine a little bit thicker, but I usually clean up at the top. That way it makes it a little bit smaller. But you know, we don't need caterpillars. And what we don't need is black. Okay, please don't use black on your eyebrows, because that's not cute. Unless if you want something more close to black, like this Anastasia Dip Brow is in the shade Ebony, is like a brown black. I would use that, and depending on how light you go, you can get it lighter or you can get it darker, but we don't need it black. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place foundation, and I am doing a review on this. It's gonna be in the next video. In the shade, I ended up buying 2 of them. I swatched them, and well, you know, I returned a couple of products because, you know, they're not letting you test shit. And I returned like 4 or 5 of these, and they didn't really match. So I was just like, I'm just gonna make it match. I'm gonna mix and match it. So I'm gonna use 520. This is, look how yellow that shit is. That shit is yellow. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself. I mean, it don't look bad once I start blending it. You know, it's gonna work out. It's gonna be alright. And we're just out lightly outline. I'm lightly outlining the top. Just like that. No, some people, you know, you can skip this step if you want to. It'll give you a more natural look if you skip it. But I like to do this because sometimes when I don't do it, I could notice like a line separating my brows and shit. And just like that. Just like that, okay? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera. Wow, I really didn't do the other side. Okay, be right back. Okay, and we're back. But they still cute. You're cute. You look good. If you did your brows while you watched this video, girl, you look bomb. And I'm not just saying that. Anyways, but yeah. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more, check out my next video on all of these products that I'm going to be reviewing.